Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to clean your Cricut. So let's get started. The first step is to turn off and unplug your Cricut. Next is to remove items from the storage compartment and from the top of the Cricut. Number 3 is to use compressed air lightly to remove the debris. Step 4 is to use baby wipes and a dry soft cloth or paper towel to dry up after you're applying the baby wipes. Step 5 is use a dry paintbrush to remove the dust or debris from underneath the sensor light. Step number 6. When placing items back inside the Cricut storage, make sure that they are cleaned as well. That's it. Now enjoy your Cricut.